Meanwhile, the Philippines' production in motor vehicles grew at a slower pace against its ASEAN peers, but outpaces its neighbors in the production of motorcycles in 2013. According to data from the ASEAN Automotive Federation, the country assembled 79,169 units last year, 5% higher than the 75,413 units produced in 2012. This figure is slightly faster than the regional average of 4.8%, but it is still behind countries such as Vietnam, which posted a 27.1% increase in production, Indonesia with 13.4%, and Malaysia with 5.6%. Meanwhile, assembly of motorcycles in the Philippines was way above its ASEAN neighbors with 24% increase in production. This figure has surpassed the ASEAN regional average of 4.3%. Indonesia's production of 9.9%, Malaysia's 1.1%.